Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJE 1906. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can also email me. I have an email account on Gmail and my Gmail ID is abhimanyubhattacharjee1906 @gmail.com. So we'll spell it for you friends, okay? It's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJE 1906 @gmail.com, friends, okay? And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification, friends, okay? So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called pot disease cured. This topic I've covered, friends, okay? And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called how faith in your subconscious powers makes you whole. This topic I'm going to cover, friends, okay? Friend, this is 79th number topic, 79th number video, and the name of the topic is how faith in your subconscious power makes you whole. So let us see what the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, a young man who came to my lecture on the healing power of the subconscious mind. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that there was a young man who came in his lecture on the healing power of the subconscious mind, had served eye trouble with his doctor and said necessarily necessitated an operation. So he was having a trouble with his eye and his doctor said that it is necessary to do a operation, friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. He said to himself, my subconscious made my eyes and it can heal me. So he said to himself that my subconscious made my eyes and it can heal me, right? Each night as he went to sleep, he entered into a drowsy meditative state. So whenever he used to go in sleep, he always entered in a drowsy meditative state. And condition state, the condition akin to sleep, and also the condition which is akin to the sleep, friends, okay? His attention was immobilized and focused on the eye doctor. So his attention was always immobilized and also focused on the eye doctor, friends, okay? He imagined the doctor was in front of him. So that person used to always imagine that doctor was in front of him, friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. And he plainly heard or imagined, he heard the doctor saying him a miracle has happened. So he always heard that doctor saying him and he imagined doctor saying him that a miracle has happened. He heard this over and over again every night. So this was a thing which that person heard over and over on every night, friends, okay? For perhaps 5 minutes or so before going to sleep. So he heard for 5 minutes or go by before going to sleep, friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. At the end of 3 weeks, he again went to the opto ophthalmologist. So after the end of the 3 weeks, he again went to the ophthalmologist, who had previously examined his eyes, and the physician said to the man, "This is a miracle." So, who has before examined his eyes, and that physician said, "This man, this is a miracle, right?" What happened? This man impressed his subconscious mind using the doctor as an instrument or the mean of convincing it or the convincing idea. So exactly what happened? It happened that that person have used the doctor as an instrument to convince and giving the convincing idea, right? The miracle have happened, friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Through repetition, faith, and expectancy, he impregnated his subconscious mind. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling through repetition, faith, and expectancy, he impregnated his subconscious mind, friend, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. his subconscious mind made his eyes within it was the perfect pattern. So his subconscious mind made the eyes within, and it was a perfect pattern, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. And immediately it proceed to heal the eye. So immediately it proceed to heal the eye, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. This is another example of how faith in the healing power of your subconscious can make you whole. So this is the idea that how our faith in the healing power of your subconscious can make you whole, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end. In our today's topic, I've covered the concept called how faith in your subconscious power makes you whole. This topic I've covered. And friends, in our next topic, I'm going to cover the concept called pointers to review this topic, friends. Okay. So friends, this topic came to an end, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video, friends. Okay. Till then, goodbye, take care.